This is the Warndon Freestanding Bath by luxury British bath icon Victoria and Albert. Renowned the world over for creating beautiful freestanding baths and basins, VNA combines the best in British design with sound South African manufacturing. Inspired by the beauty of Romanesque architecture, Warndon is a generously sized, long oval bathtub with an elegant trim, perfect for the bathroom that yearns to invoke a more classical look. Complete the aesthetic with the matching countertop basin, also available in the range. As with all Victoria and Albert baths, the Warndon is moulded out of VNA's unique Quarrycast, a trademarked compound that is a blend of volcanic limestone with high-performance resins. Together, they form a complex 3D matrix that delivers the signature VNA look and feel of velvety smoothness and warmth, underpinned with unrivaled durability, insulation, as well as extraordinary heat retention. With irresistible appeal, in both form and function, the Warndon Freestanding Bath is the perfect choice where a wow factor is required. Shop it online or in-store at Italtile.